is made by Apex Doors of Bolton, which is in Lancashire in the UK. And the problem is, as you've seen, it's very heavy to lift, so the balance springs need adjusting. And on this particular door, the balance springs, there's two of them. There's one each side, one over there and one around here. So we're just going to adjust these springs to make it a little bit lighter to lift. The door's work is, as you can see, we've got a big balance spring here, which is what fits the frame, and this is a threaded bolt which holds the spring. Underneath there you've got the nut making your adjustments. There's two of these. This bolt at the bottom of the spring here, we need to draw this balance spring tighter. So I'm just going to adjust this bolt at the bottom and put some more tension on this spring, and we'll do an equal amount both sides on both springs. And the reason I'm not using a ratchet is because, once again, you lend somebody your tools and they don't bring them back. So I'll do about another 20 turns on this. Do the same on this one. They're ordinary threads, right-handed threads. Let's see if we can make it a bit lighter. And all we do to close the door is we just pull it shut, and there we are. Garage door's locked up. You can see the springs are under tension at the moment. And there we are. And that little job makes our garage door a lot easier to open.